Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Hope everyone was doing great. In this video, I'm going to share you 4 steps to start a digital marketing agency. If you are a beginner, these 4 steps will be very useful to you. So don't skip this video anywhere. Watch till the end. If you had any doubts at last, don't forget to comment down. I'll try to reply every comment. And if you're watching me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video. And now coming to the first point is like registrations, legal registrations. See, after you're deciding that you will start a digital marketing agency, first of all, you decide a name, right? But for that digital marketing agency, for that, with that name, you have to create a logo. For that logo, you have to take a trademark. This is the first step in legal registration. Now coming to the second step in this legal registration is like you should take a domain. Like either it's a .com or a .in domain, you should take a domain. It will be helpful to you in future while you create a website for your agency. So domain is mandatory. And now coming to the third point in this particular registration step is like registration of your company. See, in initial days, don't register your company. First of all, work as a freelancer. If you're getting a more clients, then try to hire a couple of people to assign the work. If you're not able to handle all the work, try to hire some people. Then if you're getting more clients to a freelancing, that then convert that freelancing into a digital marketing agency. Then you can register a company because you are running at that time, right? So at that time only you should register a company, either it's LLP or a private limited as you wish. But in initial days, don't register a company. And now coming to the second point is decide what services you want to offer. See, digital marketing is not a single subject. Under this digital marketing, there are many sub-subjects like first is like SEO, search engine optimization, and second is like Google ads, and third one is Meta ads. Meta ads in the sense which is helpful to run ads on Facebook and Instagram. And other one is email marketing. Email marketing means daily we'll get some emails from a brand site by promoting this service or a product. That is nothing but email marketing. Like that, there are many subjects on digital marketing. So first of all, you should decide what all services you want to offer in initial days. Then it will be clear and it will be easy to handle the clients in initial days. So this is the second step, that is to decide services what you want to offer to your clients. And now coming to the third step is to decide charges. See, for example, you are providing a Meta ads service for your client. So first of all, you should decide how much you want to charge that client. For example, that particular client is spending 50,000 per month on Meta ads. Then from that, how much you want to charge, or is commission based or per month salary based. In that way, you have to think and you have to decide particular charges to the services which you are offering. If you don't know how to configure these charges, then you can simply research in Google and you can ask ChatGPT or Gemini AI or Copilot of Microsoft, any AI tool. Here I'll give a subject. You as a customer contact some freelancer and ask them these are the requirements. What would be the charges according to their charges? As they if they are a beginners, then you can also charge like same as them. In this way, you can figure out how much you should charge for your services which you are offering through your digital marketing agency. This is a very important. Don't get confused about this third step, that is decide charges. And now coming to the fourth point, this is the last point in this video. See, this is very small video, so don't skip this video anywhere. Watch till the end. If you're watching this video till now, don't forget to drop a like to this video. And now the last point is set the goals. See, as I said in the second point, there are many subjects under the digital marketing like SEO, Google ads, email marketing, or Meta ads, social media marketing. Like this, you have to decide what all the services you want to offer in initial days. Later, you have to decide and you have to set a goal like by next year, I want to include this particular service to them. By the next 2 years, I have to include these services to the clients. And by next year, I have to meet this number of clients. And by next year, like after 2 years or 3 years, like that, you have to set a proper goal. Then you should work on that. Then you will have a particular goal at the end of the year. So you will work, you will give your 100% efforts to your clients and to your agency also. So as a beginner, if you had any idea to start a digital marketing agency, then I'll recommend to follow these 4 steps. It will be very useful to you. And again, I am repeating those 4 points. Is like the first one is a legal registration. Second one is like decide what all the services you want to offer. Third is like decide the charges, and fourth one is set your goals. See, these are the 4 steps. Is very important if you want to build a digital marketing agency at the beginner stage. So that's it for today's video. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.